Thermometers are a vital instrument in food processing and packing and are important to ensuring food safety and quality standards are maintained. They commonly come in one of three forms: fixed probes, folding probes, or with probes which are on a lead like this one. As you can see, all of these thermometers have a pointed metal probe, which can pose a health and safety risk if they are not used or carried correctly. Here are some key steps you can take to keep your teams safe and minimise the risk of accidents occurring when using and carrying thermometers. Firstly, ensure your team have enough thermometers available. Whilst this may sound like it would increase the risk, the fact is that incidents are most likely to occur when thermometers are being carried and handled between use. By providing more thermometers, this means they have to be carried around less, which in turn reduces the risks of accidents occurring. Secondly, when thermometers are not being used, ensure they are stored safely in a drawer, a wall bracket, or better still, a bespoke instrument station from Klipspringer. This keeps them out of harm's way when unattended. Ideally, these should be stored as close as possible to the area in which the thermometers are being used. If thermometers do have to be carried, there are some key things to get right. Where possible, the safest way to transport thermometers is in carry cases or toolboxes. This completely shields the sharp probe end from causing harm. However, we realise this may not always be the most practical or hygienic solution in factory environments. That's why we would always recommend using a silicone boot like this one, which not only protects the thermometer, it also provides additional grip and reduces the likelihood of dropping the unit. Just like when you carry something expensive or precious, use two hands when carrying detachable probe thermometers, one to carry the unit and one to carry the probe. And lastly, never at any time carry the thermometer any of these three ways: by the probe end only, by the lead only, or by the unit only. Not only are these methods likely to damage the thermometer, they also pose significant health and safety risks and must be avoided at all times. Similarly, always ensure folding probes are folded when being carried or stored, just like this. So, to recap, ensure you have enough thermometers, store them safely when not in use, ideally using an instrument station if possible. Store thermometers close to the area where you will be using the thermometers. If possible, transport thermometers in a safe carry case or toolbox. Use a silicone boot to provide additional grip to your thermometer unit. And lastly, always carry the thermometer and probe in two hands. Should you have any queries or require additional support, don't hesitate to contact the friendly Klipspringer team. We're here to help at all times.